Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Edge not opening step by step. If Microsoft Edge won't launch or keeps crashing when you try to open it, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the problem. So let's get started. First, try restarting your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary issues that prevent Edge from opening. If Edge still won't open, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any Microsoft Edge processes that are still running. If you find any, select them and click End Task. Then try opening Edge again. Next, make sure Windows is up to date. Open the Settings app. Go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates, then restart your computer if prompted. If the problem continues, try repairing Microsoft Edge. Open the Settings app. Go to Apps, then select Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. Find Microsoft Edge in the list. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Modify. Then click Repair and follow the on-screen instructions. If Edge opens but continues to crash, you can also try clearing its browsing data. Click the three-dot menu in Edge, go to Settings, then Privacy, Search and Services. Under Clear Browsing Data, select Choose What to Clear and remove the data you no longer need. If none of these steps work, temporarily disable your antivirus software to check whether it's blocking Edge from opening. Be sure to re-enable your antivirus after testing. And that's it. You've learned how to fix Microsoft Edge when it won't open. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Edge tips, Windows tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next one.